moyo moyo uache, unapochagua uache, ukiomba njia uache, uridhie.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. As you can see today, we are doing cleaning motivation. This is how the kitchen looks. Everywhere, everything is everywhere. So dirty. I've removed all the items from the cabinets. Yes. My God. So guys, you remember I had removed everything up there. And now I've washed and returned everything where it's supposed to be. And I've done thorough cleaning in our simple kitchen. Small, simple kitchen. So this is the outcome. This is the final results. I removed everything up there. I've returned them. Here we are. Yes. Small, simple kitchen.